Let's begin by importing NextResponse from the Next server package. NextResponse is a built-in utility that allows us to modify the outgoing response from our Next.js middleware. Next, we're defining our middleware function, which takes one argument, request. This function will intercept incoming requests and apply our logic before the request reaches any server-side operations. We are extracting the token from the authorization header. The optional chaining operator is used to safely access the header, and the replace function removes the bearer prefix to get the raw token. Here is a mocked verify token function. In a real-world scenario, you would replace this with a proper verification method, possibly checking the token against a database or a token service. An if condition checks if the token does not exist or is not verified correctly. This ensures that requests without a token or with an invalid token do not proceed further. If the token is missing or invalid, the middleware returns a 401 unauthorized response. This stops the request from proceeding and sends an error response to the client. If the token passes the check, this block is skipped. Finally, if the token is valid, we call NextResponse next. This method tells Next.js to continue processing the request. The request can now proceed to the next middleware or to the actual server action that needs to be executed. And with that, our middleware function is complete. Any request that passes the authentication will be passed along to the next step in the Next.js processing pipeline.